Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to prevent phishing on eBay. Firstly, make sure that you're always using the official eBay application from the App Store. Check for your messages inside the eBay application. So here you see notifications section at the bottom side of the screen, and here notifications even divided into some categories. So important, buying, selling, recommended, and account. So check for those messages and always communicate directly through eBay's messaging system. And if a seller or buyer tries to send you links or asks you to email them outside the eBay, do not click anything and report this immediately. Now go to my eBay section and then enter settings. Here open sign in and security section. And now make sure the two-step verification is turned on. Here it is, two-step verification. And here you can choose your verification method, whether it's through the eBay application or messaging text, and then follow the prompts. So the two-step verification is very useful thing because it adds a second layer of protection, and no one could get access to your account. Also, be very cautious with emails that claim to be from eBay. Let's model a situation when you get an email saying that there is some problem with your account or payment issue. Do not click any links. Instead, what you need to do is open eBay application yourself and check for any notifications there. Again, here notification section, and here check for any messages. If here are no messages in your this notification section, this email was probably fake. What else? Look closely at the sender's email addresses too, because real eBay emails usually come from addresses ending with ebay.com, and anything else, especially strange domains, it's a big red flag. And also do not forget to update your password regularly. To do that, navigate to my eBay section, and here in this section sign in and security you will see change password button. Use a strong and unique password that you don't see and use anywhere else. And lastly, always keep your iPhone's operating system and apps updated, because security updates are your best defense against phishing and hacking attempts. So that's how you can prevent phishing on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.